Hey guys, today I've got a pretty cool video of a Rubik's Cube solving robot, which I saw at the Beyond Rubik's Cube exhibition at Liberty Science Center in New Jersey. I also just wanted to say that I know that the picture-in-picture video is just a tiny bit off. I think it's just a couple seconds, but I do want to apologize for that. And that's really about it, so I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, maybe you could hit that like button. You can leave a comment. I don't know, maybe even subscribe to me on YouTube. So tell your friends about it, and thanks for watching.